Other U.S. Navy ships have not been so lucky in such encounters. In 2005, the attack submarine USS San Francisco, SSN 711, ran into an uncharted seamount in Micronesia and nearly sank. During an operational exercise, the aircraft carrier hit the submerged island, causing a significant gash in its hull and damaging 3 of its 4 propellers. Despite the damage, the crew managed to stabilize the ship. This incident highlights the dangers of the ocean depths and the challenges faced by naval operations, echoing other accidents like the USS San Francisco's collision with an uncharted seamount in 2005. For centuries, the only regular sea traffic by Europeans along the west coast of North America were the Manila galleons, the Spanish warship freighters loaded with billions of dollars worth of treasure that made landfall around Cape Mendocino on their journey home to Acapulco, Mexico. Then, Yankee skippers sought California products and whales, along with eager passengers during the gold rush. American captains began noticing strange things in the waters west of the islands. On January 5, 1846, as war loomed with Mexico, the Constitution was cruising off Southern California when crew members spotted a large patch of white spume and the roar of breakers. This is the first record of the waves that would enter history as the largest ever surfed. Under certain conditions of wave, wind and current, the seas piled up on Cortez Bank and Bishop Rock into 80-foot-high mountains of perfect curl, whose roar could be heard for miles in the middle of the deep blue sea. On November 2, 1985, the carrier and her air wing were conducting an operational readiness exercise out of San Diego, and the skipper at that captain, Luskner, was distracted by what turned out to be a false report of a gunman below decks. During the precious moments when communications and awareness were tied up, the impact of a quarter-mile-long nuclear-powered object with a 13-mile-long solid rock is prodigious. The drowned island tore a 60-foot-long gash in the side of the Enterprise's torpedo-resistant hull. 3 of the 4 giant propellers were totaled and the port keel gone. Later, Marines stood guard against sharks while divers assessed the damage. If naval distraction and miscommunication got the captain into trouble, naval preparedness got the ship out of danger in good order.